let's just check the instructions. Okay, so you bend it down like this, twist it there, you put that down, and that should be it. Just put that there, tuck that in, and that should be it. Oh, no, that's not right. Let's try it again. Okay, let's read the instructions again just to be sure. Okay, do that, and then just squeeze that over there. Okay, let's try again. Right, use my foot this time. Right, I'll just push that up there with the foot. And we will then give that a twist. Hold that down. And that there is looking good. That keeps coming up. Throw it, twist. Oh, there it is again. Throw it down, that fucking stupid thing. Yeah, need someone to read the instructions now as well. God, this is tricky. This. Now, can you tell me, does that say lift it to the left? Yes, it does. Right, okay. Here we go. So, foot here, hands here, lift it up in the middle, and then give it a little twist. Both together, and then there's a twist somewhere. Not sure where that's going to go. Oh, there's a again. Fucking thing. Right. Shit, I'm not so good at all this shit. So let's do that again, okay? So there's no point to it yet. Put your foot on it, twist it, put your foot on it. There's a twist. There's the twist. There's the twist. There's a twist. Bring that up. That doesn't match. That doesn't work. Right, twist. It's not a big enough twist. I'm not twisting at the right point. Maybe it has to twist on the other side. How the fuck am I getting into that bag? This is a nightmare. Right, okay, well, we've got that. Fold it up. Oh, not put it there. Right, if we try that twist. Oh, shite. Fuck's sake, I'm gonna fucking kill this thing in a minute. Right, twist. Fold. There it is again, for fuck's sake. Is there anything in there? No. There's nothing. No. Right, okay. Right, let's just fucking stand on it. Right? Just fold it in half like that. And that there bit goes in there, and that fucking just stand on the thing. Right. Now we're talking. I likes that. I likes that to be folded that way. So we spin this round. Oh, Jesus Christ. These fucking instructions. Why are they in Chinese? Jesus Christ. Right, I'm starting to get cross now. Okay, open it up. Start from the beginning again. Hold that there, Amy. Right, okay, I'm going to get a hammer. Get a hammer and a saw. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh, we've got the cavalry. Nikki's appeared. Nikki's going to show us how to do this shit. Okay, open it up. There you go, Nikki. From the beginning. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Yes. So, start from the beginning. There's the door. Nikki knows how to do it, but she's not helping. Right, okay. Here we go. Follow the diagram. 2 people. Here we go. Both of us. We'll do this together. Right, okay. To me, to you. To me, to you. What's in there? Okay, no. Right, to me. I'll take this. Right, there's the bag. There's the instructions, Nikki. That's what it says you have to do. Right? That's easy. Just do that. Right. Okay, it's easy. It's easy, Paul. Right. Okay. See that point there? That's the bit you're missing. Right. Watch this. Okay. Let's get the dog out of the equation. That'll help. Right. Here we go. Foot down. Bend over. Twisty wisty. Yeah. Fold into the middle. Too many cooks spoiling the broth here, guys. Right, so if I hold that, Fold that. There we go. Yes!